So I just came across this tool called Procmon-for-Linux, and it's like a total game changer for tracing syscall activity.
Wait, seriously. I know the Windows version is pretty popular, but how does it work on Linux?
Right? It's really cool. Basically, it lets developers monitor system calls in real time, like seeing what the processes are doing.
That sounds super handy, but how do you even set it up? I imagine it can be a bit tricky like most Linux tools.
Well, it requires Ubuntu 18.04 or later and a few build time dependencies. You need CMake and some SQLite libraries.
Okay, sounds pretty straightforward. What if someone has never built software from source before?
Good point. They might find it a bit daunting, but there are detailed installation instructions available online.
That's reassuring. What sort of features does it have once installed?
Oh, it has several options. You can track specific process IDs, filter system calls, even run it in headless mode.
Headless mode. That's interesting, so you could run it without a GUI. How does that work?
Exactly, you can log everything to a file directly. It's perfect for automated scripts or servers.
Got it, but what are some real use cases? I'm interested in how developers use it day to day.
Well, let's say you're debugging an app. You could monitor syscalls to see if there are unexpected behaviors.
That definitely sounds useful. I wonder if there are limitations, though.
Actually, yeah, one limitation is the performance overhead. It can slow down your system while monitoring.
That's fair, but I guess if you need insights, a little slowdown is a trade-off you'd consider, right?
Exactly, but it's also worth noting it won't capture everything. Some kernel-level events might be missed.
That's a bummer. So it's a powerful tool, but not a complete solution for every debugging scenario.
Spot on, it's great, but definitely needs to be used alongside other debugging tools.
What about the learning curve? Is it easy to understand once you get it up and running?
From what I've read, it's pretty intuitive, especially if you're familiar with similar tools.
That's good news. I'd imagine developers who use Procmon would love the TUI interface too.
Right, that brings a cool visual aspect to tracing syscalls, which could really help with analysis.
Wow, it just makes me think. This could even enhance productivity for Linux developers.
Agreed, monitoring system calls can lead to greater insights and faster troubleshooting.
And it ties back to how crucial monitoring tools are for software development in general.
Totally, it's like trying to drive a car without a speedometer. How would you know what's going wrong?
Exactly. I guess it's foundational for any serious development work, especially in production.
And think about the collaborative aspect too. Teams can share traces to pinpoint issues together.
That's a great point. It enhances communication within teams and speeds up issue resolution.
But what if multiple developers are using it simultaneously? Does it become a bottleneck?
That's an interesting concern. Depending on the system load, it could complicate resource management.
For sure, effective resource allocation will be crucial while using tools like Procmon.
Now I'm curious, can it log to any database or just SQLite?
So far, it seems it's mainly linked to SQLite, but that's a solid option for data management.
For sure, but I suppose being locked into one database might limit some developers.
Right, some might prefer flexibility to use their database of choice, which is a valid drawback.
It's like any tool, great, but it should fit within the workflow of the users.
Well said, it's all about how well it integrates into existing systems.
I see how discussions about tools like these can really spark new ideas for optimization strategies.
Definitely, and thinking about the future, I'm excited to see how it evolves.
Same here. It makes me wonder what other advanced features might be on the horizon.
Imagine if they added machine learning to predict issues based on syscall patterns.
That would be revolutionary. Tracing system calls could become proactive instead of reactive.
Exactly, so there's so much potential here, but it's crucial we balance it with real-world limitations.
For sure, I think it opens up an exciting chapter in Linux development.
Totally, and just thinking back to our conversation, what other tools could merge with Procmon to enhance its utility?
Maybe integrating logging tools or further automation scripts could be fascinating to explore.
That's a neat idea. Combining capabilities could lead to even greater insights for developers.